Hi, I'm Dipankar, and today we will explore the preparation times feature in the Bird Pickup and Delivery app. This feature allows store to set lead times, which is the time they may need to prepare the order so that customers can select an appropriate pickup or delivery date and time to ensure smoother order processing. For example, if I need 1 hour to prepare, let's say a product almond flour cookies, and I go ahead and enable this, and I have same preparation day and time for all days, and I have selected 1 hour, right? So right now, if you see on my screen, the customer is able to select today's date, which is November 23, and they can select two slots. Right now, the time is 4 p.m. and 23rd November at my location. So if I go ahead and save this, now ideally, the customer should not see this 5 to 6 p.m. slot because I need at least 1 hour to prepare the almond cookies. Let me reload this page. And as soon as I reload it, the only 6 to 8 slot is visible and 5 to 6 is not visible, right? Also, you can also set it to any days. So right now it's in hours. Let's say I need 1 day to prepare the almond cookies. I go ahead and save it, and as soon as I reload the store, the customer will not be able to see today's date, and you see 23 is not available and can pick up only from 24th, right? Now, preparation time can also vary by day, right? So for example, right now it's all days. Let's say I customize preparation time by day, and on Monday to Friday I need 1 day, but on Saturday I need, let's say, 2 days, and on Sunday I need 2 days, right? So I save it, and as soon as I reload the page, especially if I go ahead, because it is a Saturday today, today's and tomorrow's date is not available, and only from Monday the customer is able to pick up the product, almond cookies. So next concept here is cutoff time, which specifies when the stores stops accepting same day orders. So for example, let's say the cutoff time that I have kept is 4 p.m. I go and select that, right, and save it and post the cutoff time. So today after 4 p.m., whatever orders I receive, I need 3 days to have to for the lead time, right? And same goes for Saturday because today is Saturday, so I need to do this for all the days. So I go ahead and select 4 p.m. and let's say 3 days, right? And I go ahead and save it. Now by reloading the store, you will see that now because it is after 4 p.m. the customer cannot select 3 days, so today, day after tomorrow, and the day after that, and can only select from Tuesday. So you can see it has been adjusted. This flexibility allows you to tailor preparation and availability times efficiently. For further questions, please feel free to contact support. Thank you.